Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down there and also follow me on Instagram. And let's get started with today's video because we're doing a makeup tutorial and I'm super excited. Okay, so I was thinking what I should do as a video idea, and then I thought it's spring, right? So let me do a spring makeup look, like tutorial one. And then I was thinking that's a little basic, so why not do a 10-minute kind of a challenge, but like a 10-minute tutorial, so that you can do a spring nice makeup look only with that only requires 10 minutes, which is so little time, and then you can do pretty much every day. So that's what we're going to do today, and let's get started because I'm really excited and I have no clue exactly what I'm gonna do, but we will figure it out. So let's go. Also, can you see like the spring theme on me? Like, look at this combo. I'm super excited about spring, and if I was to go out, I'd be even more excited. But anyway, let's keep on with the video. Actually, I'm going to do a stopwatch and like have a 10-minute as the maximum time I can use for this makeup look. So sorry if I talk fast before I start everything, just because I'm going to talk fast because I want this to be a 10-minute kind of challenge thing, so I need to talk fast. Also, like, I don't want to say anything else. Let's just get started with this, and I'm actually pressing start. Okay, so time is counting, and basically I'm going to start off with my skin and the foundation, because when you're doing a makeup look, a really quick one, you want like a nice base, and that will seem like you put a lot of effort into it. And I'm going to use the foundation, the Wet n Wild one, the Photofocus one, and basically all of the products I'm going to use are going to be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out, and I will also have the shades that I use. So yeah, I'm not going to talk about that much about the products just because I will have them in the description, so I don't want to lose time with this, you know? So I'm going to start with this, and I'm just applying it on the center of my face first, and just going to take it outwards. And for that, I'm going to use this brush. I think it's called a kabuki brush. I'm not like certain, but I'm actually kind of certain because, you know, makeup guru here. And I'm using a brush just because I feel like nowadays I've figured how to use it, and it's like really easy and it does things really quickly, and it's like lifesaver for me. I don't know, it's like such a nice use you can get out of this brush, you know. I'm applying more over here everywhere, and I'm first going to get done with the face and like the skin, like the face products, just because I feel like if you have a nice base, everyone thinks you've put so much effort in your makeup that day, you know? I'm just blending that out, and also I'm taking down the neck so you don't have that line of the shade of your neck and the shade of the foundation. And again, I haven't seen my face in makeup in like a week, and it's driving me insane. And I actually did my makeup just for another video like a week ago, so that's what I'm talking about. I'm not doing my makeup just to go out and just take a walk or something, or like go to the supermarket. I don't know, I'm just bored to do that. But tell me in the comment section below if you do your makeup during quarantine time, like even at your house. I feel like it's really helpful just because you feel like you're doing something, and then if you get dressed and like actually feel like you're doing something, it's super helpful just because you feel like you're actually working, you can do stuff, and it feels like a normal kind of day. I'm also applying it on the lids because we don't have time. And I'm rambling so much, like, Anyway, this is the foundation. I'm applying some concealer over here, under eye area, and I'm just using it to highlight a bit and hide any redness. Beauty sponge, Real Techniques one, just blending everything out. And I'm not even doing, like, I never do my makeup this quick. I always take, I'm going to powder, some Laura Mercier, classic one. And I always leave a lot of time for my makeup look just because I know I will need it. I know that. Like, I know it as a fact that it's going to seem super useful. It's something that I plan because I love doing so much. So it feels natural to me, taking a lot of time to actually do my makeup and get it right. And I'm now going to bronze with a big fluffy brush. I'm not doing contouring, that needs a lot of time just to be precise. We don't have time for precision. Yes. We don't have time for that-ish. Just warming up the face, mixing it to the hairline. Super important. Maybe we'll do it 15 minutes, I don't know. I'm just thinking about it. Just because we're already at 5:40, like 6 minutes long already. But like, if it takes me like 15 minutes, if I'm even like talking and explaining, I feel like that's pretty good, because if you were to do it on your own, you would do it much quicker. Like, I would actually do it like 5 minutes less. Okay, let's move on to highlighting. I'm using the Sophx Makeup Revolution palette. I'm using two Makeup Revolution products. So yeah, and I'm gonna take, I feel like it's pretty like a spring kind of look, needs something like fun. So I'm taking this kind of pink highlighter, and I'm just going to use that because it's fun, you know? And something like this will create the illusion that you put so much time and effort again in your makeup look when you just apply a unique shade of highlighter. Also, this palette is amazing. I can't say like enough how much it needs to be said. And I'm also going to highlight inner corners, over here nose, and like some on the brow bone. Now I'm going to take my favorite transition shade, which is a really nude one. It's not intense on me. You can find like whatever shade works the best for you. I'm taking a really like big blending brush, and I'm just taking the shade that I like, and I'm just going to place that on the crease just for some dimension, just because I'm not going to do anything crazy, but I'm just gonna place on top some like really fun shimmers, but like super quickly, super easy. Don't panic. I'm not doing a Catrice, so no need to panic. But like, this will be like the base, because if I were to just place some shimmery shadows, it will feel like weird. I feel like, I don't know, because you wouldn't have some depth on your eyes. So yeah, I'm just doing that so freaking fast. Like, I'm impressed with myself. Like, what the heck is going on? I have never blended shadow that fast before. And also I'm applying some on the lower outer lash line, just to give that look. Okay, now I'm going to use the Sophx. No, first I'm going to use this single shadow from NYX, which is a really vibrant yellow. It's really shimmery, and I'm just going to take that actually with my finger, and I'm just going to place that over here in the front. So So good. So good. This seems so right, you know? Okay, I'm just gonna place that only till like half of my lid, and I'm mixing it at the tear duct as well, and I'm just pressing that in, and then I'm gonna go in with the Sophx Makeup Revolution palette, and you can see over here it's been used and abused, and I'm gonna take the shade, it's this really like light champagne pink shade, and I'm just using another finger, and I'm just going to do the rest of the eye. It's like super frosty. I'm loving this. And I'm actually applying it on top of the yellow as well, just to blend everything. Doing that on the other eye as well. Okay, I feel like that's pretty and fun, and why not? And I'm also thinking of taking a little bit of this shimmery purple, like it's an intense purple, and I'm just gonna use a little bit on top of this more light pink that we use, just to create some depth and dimension and some extra color to add in. I'm basically just using it on the outer part, but just I'm not using a lot, and I'm just using my fingers, which is just amazing. That wasn't so good. I just took the time for a little bit just because I did a mistake and just wanted to wipe a little bit to blend it out, and I used the finger with the wrong shade. That's that. And I'm quickly going to take with a small brush this dark purple we took, and I'm just going to place that on the lower lash line, just the outer part to like the middle. Okay, and then with another brush, like a small one, like the previous one, I'm going to take the same yellowy gold shade, and just going to use that till the middle and just blend these two shades together. I actually really like this, how it's turning out, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of the yellow and just press it over here on top, just because it's so golden and perfect, I feel like. Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm going to brush my brows upwards, and I'm just going to fill in some spots over here. I'm not overdoing it if you don't want to have time. Brushing it again upwards with the spoolie. This is not my dominant hand, that's why I'm doing it like that. And I'm just taking some Benefit Gimme Brow Gel and just setting everything. It's a really good product, and because I have this in the shade 3, I think. You can even use it with no like brow pencil beforehand, so that's that. And I also feel like my brows have come such a long way. I never had like super small brows, but now they're like so perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna do lips. For lips, I'm going to use a Catrice lip pencil. I'm doing some nude kind of lips, and I'm using a Sephora lipstick. I like this combo, and I'm using some Fenty Beauty lip gloss on top of that. Also, it's a perfect opportunity for me to use this eyelid eyeshadow topper. It's from Pixi, and it is in the shade Rose Gold, and it's just a glittery topper. So I used it once as like the actual shadow, but that didn't really work. So that now, like on top of everything, I feel like it just gives that extra sparkle that we definitely need. Okay, I'm actually really excited of how this is turning out, and I didn't think this would happen, but I'm all about it. I'm here, you know. I'm here for it. Doing some tear duct. Okay, now that looks really, really good, and we're going to set everything with some NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And now we need to do lashes. It's the final thing. I feel like it will complete this look. I'm just curling my lashes. I'm not going to use falsies again. I'm bored because I'm just at home and I'm not going to apply lashes just for this video. I'm bored, you know? I'm just super bored. And I'm using Benefit. They're real. It's not a really intense mascara, but I like it. So yeah. And I'm not using a lot on the bottom lashes. Whatever's left on my brush, as always. I don't like a lot of mascara on the bottom lashes. That's just me. Okay, that's like perfect, right? So like spring. I feel like that is a spring inspired makeup look. It's obvious, right? Okay. I'm stopping the timer and it says 13 minutes and 24 seconds, which is still like a 10-minute tutorial. That's what I'm gonna call it, because I was talking and I was rambling and it doesn't matter, you know? It's going to be 10 minutes to do this to yourself, and I could do this in 10 minutes if I wasn't talking and like explaining things. So yeah, it's just a 10-minute makeup look. Like, wow. Okay, you guys, this is the makeup look I created in like 10 minutes as a spring makeup tutorial. I feel like it's wonderful. I feel like it's going to look great on pretty much everyone, and you can make like the shade, like the eyeshadow shades work for you, like how you like them and what colors you like them, like the color scheme. You can choose it yourself, obviously, but like I'm super pleased of how it turned out. I feel like these shades work great for me and I'm loving it. I'm actually thinking of going to the supermarket like this. Like, as you can see, it's really soft, but it has that color that still makes you go wow, and still that has that wow factor in the look, just because it has the color, but it's not super vibrant, so it's wearable. It's super spring. It's a super simple makeup look. It only took 10 minutes. It's super like a spring makeup look. So good. It will look pretty much good on everyone. I already said that, but basically I'm actually encouraging you to go and do this makeup look because you will look amazing. And I'm thinking of going out like this, like right now, just taking a walk because I'm feeling fierce, you know? So definitely give this makeup look a go, and if you do, don't forget to comment down below if you liked it, and if you like this video, just comment down below anything you want. I'm here. We can chat. That was it for this video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one, and let me know what you would like to see next. And yeah, that is everything. Don't forget to stay safe and have fun. Yeah. I'll see you next time. Kisses.